this video, we will look at quizzes, tests, and assessments, and where to find them on the Hub. Depending on the course, the lesson plans may refer to them as assessments or quizzes and tests. The terms may change, but it's still the same type of assignment. In K5 Focus on Fives and K5 Math, there are no tests or assessments. However, for online and DVD users, K5 Math has 4 quarterly assessment rubrics. These are optional, but the link is provided here in the lesson overview. These are not listed in the course resources. First grade phonics and English course for online and DVD users will have a link provided for the tests for each unit. It can also be found as a download in the course resources under the teacher files. For textbook users, the lesson plans will guide you when to use these, but there will not be a link to print these from the Hub. These reproducible tests are available in the back of the Phonics and English Teacher Edition. Spelling courses have pretest, practice, and final test forms in a file called Weekly Forms or Test Forms listed in the course resources under Online Resources. Online and DVD users will have a link to these forms that can be printed from the lesson overview. However, they are available to all users as a download under the course resources. For all online or DVD courses from 1st through 4th grade, you should have received a test packet included in your lease purchase of the course. The answer key link will be provided on the Hub in several places. From the Parent Profile on the Assignments tab, the parent will see the key link here once the quiz or test has been marked completed. For these grades, this can be done from either the student or parent profile. This key link will also appear in the lesson overview and in the parent resources in this corner. For 5th through 12th grade subjects, online and DVD courses now have access to online tests and quizzes. The student can complete them online on the Hub, and the system will grade them and send them to the parent for review. From the Assignments tab on the Parent Profile, the parent can see what needs to be reviewed. Here in the Actions column, you can see the grade link, which will take you into the assessment. To learn more about grading work, you can watch the Assignments tab video. You can print a copy of the test using the Print Test link listed under the test or quiz. This view will look similar to the online version and may require several pages to print. If the student marks off the quiz or test without submitting the answers online, the system will show this view. For online assessments, the key link is not listed in the resource column, but you can find the answers to these in the Courses tab. Choose the course, click the details, then click on the course resources. These files are located in the course files as a separate download. Printing from the downloadable file will provide you with a print-ready format. This file will include the student version of all quizzes and tests, as well as the answer keys. You can print specific pages by choosing custom pages. For example, the Chapter 1 quiz is paged 1 through 2, so choose Custom Pages and add 1 through 2. Note that if you print the online version of the assessment and use this key to grade, the tests may be numbered backwards or even presented in a different format. True, false may be matching or fill in the blanks. Once a test or quiz has been submitted by the student, it can be printed showing the student's answers. Here in the Ready for Review, we choose this quiz and click on Grade. Click on the Print button. Notice the print view is only showing what is visible on our screen. Changing the layout to landscape will allow the full quiz to be printed. We can click More Settings and make the system print 2 sheets per page. Notice the print view is actually portrait, but now we only have 3 pages to print. This view can also be saved as a PDF by clicking on the destination and choosing Save as a PDF. Now you have a digital copy for your records. Some courses have optional practice tests available. These tests can be printed. However, there are no answer keys available on the Hub. The best way to use these would be to have the student take them online so the system will grade them automatically.